everyone, Chantel here. You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I achieved the honey blonde color you saw previously by bleaching my very dark brown hair. And first off, I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be using to achieve that. And the first item is the BW bleach that I got from a wig store in Lagos. Next is the developer. This is the 40% developer. They have a 20%, they have 30%, and I believe they have a 50%, but that's not sold over the counter. And yeah, those are the two items I'll be using to achieve this look today. First off, I'm going to be mixing both of them together by turning the powder bleach inside the container of the bleach because I don't have a mixing bowl. And secondly, I was going to use all of the bleach, so there was really no need to mix it in a separate container when I have this one here by default. Next, I'm going to mix in the developer and make a thick consistency, one that is not so thick and not so runny as well, just perfect so that it doesn't seep through the hair. It just gets the job done basically. And as you can see here, I started mixing it, but it was too thick, so I added in more developer to get that right consistency. While I'm still doing this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well now to do so by clicking on that button that spells subscribe by the right hand side and the notification bell that shows up after, so you're notified each time I post a new video. Thank you. So you can see the color of the hair in its original state. This hair was 3 bundles of straight human hair that I got from Renix's collection. This is the double drawn hair. This hair has lasted for so long. It came in 3 bundles, like I said, with a closure, and someone wigged it for me, my salon guy. If you're returning on this channel, you must have seen me rocking this hair before now, and it's been so good, guys. It doesn't shed, it's just so full and luscious, and I love the hair. I really love it. The fact that I decided to color it today, I'm not bothered that it's going to alter anything because I believe it's very good quality hair. I'm just applying the mixture on the hair gently, starting from the bottom and working my way upwards. After a while, I got tired and I dropped the brush and started using my hands because I have on my gloves, as you can see, and I just use my hands to apply the product properly. When it's well saturated, I go in with a comb to brush it all out so that the color mix can penetrate evenly. I did that in parts, and every part I got done with, I wrapped it up in a thin foil so that it further processes and everything just comes out evenly basically. What foil really does is to induce more heat into the mixture, thereby making the hair process faster, and it gives it a better output, if I should say so myself. Applying more of the mixture and just using my hand to massage it in properly before going back in with the comb. They have different brands of bleach and different brands of developer, but I did my research before carrying out this process and I realized that the best in the market is the BW bleach and the Clarisol. I hope I'm not wrong. The developer I just showed you guys basically, and these ones are more expensive. The BW bleach I got for 5,000 naira from Wig Tools or so in Lagos, and the other one, that's the developer, I got for 3,500. They have cheaper options like I said, but I just decided to go with this one because I wanted to get the job done really well. As you can see, I'm done with it. What I did was to tear up a bigger size of foil and just put everything inside and wrap it all up so that everything is well processed. But before I close that up, I added some more product on the top area of the hair to get rid of any brassiness and any area where I still saw some dark roots. My bleach is done. I'm just trying to scrape out anything I have on the comb and inside the container. Then another thing I did, which I felt worked really well with this, was to pour some more developer on top the hair and just wrap everything all up. I realized that it made it process the more, and it just gave me a very good output, which you'll see in a moment. This is the little amount of shedding I got from the whole process. So you see, the hair is really good. Guys, I just had to quickly show you my hands. I was supposed to double up on the gloves while bleaching the hair because it was so strong that it tore the gloves, and I had the most uncomfortable feeling for about 2 days. So if you're bleaching your hair, please double or triple up on your gloves so that the chemical doesn't seep through. Okay. After about 20 minutes, I took the hair out of the foil paper and you can see the result. It looks so good. Everything bleached evenly, and I love the honey blonde shade it's already giving me. I did not want it to be too bright. This was just perfect for me. So I'm just taking out all the foil papers and we're going to discard this because there's really no use for them again. And you see the reveal, like in just one bleach process or in just one step, this is what I got, going from that dark brown to this shade. Next, I'm going to wash the hair using the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo. And if you don't know what purple shampoo does, it brightens up your colored weaves or hair, basically just making it more vibrant, and it gets rid of any brassiness that the color might have given while processing. Rinse it off with clean water first before applying the shampoo, as you can see, and I'm just massaging it all through the hair. For that extra leave, I applied the shampoo a second time and just put it in a Ziploc bag and let it sit for about 10 minutes so that it does its work way longer and I get more results. When that was done, I decided to rinse it and got rid of the shampoo. The color is so luscious and the hair is looking softer already, even without conditioning. For conditioning, I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning treatment using this keratin milk that I also got from Wig Tools on Instagram, but you can get it from any of your wig shops nationwide or worldwide basically. And I'm just massaging that with my hands into the weave, just saturating the whole hair. When it was really saturated, I went back in with my big tooth comb and I'm just combing it out, getting rid of any tangled areas and just working my way upwards from the bottom area. You can see that the hair looks so good. There's no tangling whatsoever on it. Next, I put it back in that Ziploc bag and popped it into the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds, although I did not show that part, but that's what I did just to heat up the hair a bit and help the conditioner penetrate more. So this was more like a hot treatment for my hair. When that was concluded, I rinsed it under running water and spread it to dry, and that was it. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. Do you like it? This hair is a straight hair by default, like you saw before. I colored it, but I couldn't find my straightener, so I decided to coil it. It all goes to show how versatile the hair is. And like I told you guys, this is from Reddit's hair. I got 3 bundles of double drawn human hair with a closure. I'm not sure if it's Vietnamese or Brazilian. I'll confirm that from her. Well, yeah, do you guys like it? Let me know in the comment section. Have some highlights and lowlights, and everything just looks perfect. This is actually my first time bleaching hair, so let me know how I did. Did I do all right? Do I need to tweak some things here and there? Just let me know all of that in the comment section. And if you have watched up until this point and you haven't subscribed, please do well to do so you are notified on my next uploads. I put out videos here 3 times a week, every Sunday, every Tuesday, and every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching today. today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.